Welcome, students, to episode 8 of our D and F block series. Today's episode is the most important one because we cover all insert reactions of potassium dichromate and potassium permanganate. This includes every single reaction, all color changes, every oxidation-reduction pattern, all medium-based changes, and balancing redox equations using G techniques. Let's begin the ultimate exam perfect class. First, let's look at potassium dichromate. The dichromate ion CrO superscript 2 is orange, while the chromate ion CrO superscript 2 is yellow. A key insert reaction is the chromate-dichromate equilibrium, CrO superscript 2 plus HO to CrO superscript 2 plus 2H. In acidic medium, it changes from yellow to orange, and in basic medium, from orange to yellow. Potassium dichromate is prepared from chromite ore, FeCrO. Step 1 involves fusion with sodium carbonate and oxygen. Step 2 is the conversion to dichromate. Tuna CrO plus 2H Na CrO plus HO. Finally, potassium dichromate is formed from sodium dichromate and potassium chloride. Potassium dichromate is a strong oxidizing agent. Its general reduction is CrO superscript 2 to 2Cr superscript 3, changing color from orange to green. It oxidizes Fe superscript 2 to Fe superscript 3, as seen in the titration reaction. CrO superscript 2 plus 6 Fe superscript 2 plus 1,4H to Cr superscript 3 plus 6 Fe superscript 3 plus 7HO. It also oxidizes iodide to iodine, sulfur dioxide to sulfate, and hydrogen sulfide to sulfur, among other reactions. KCrO reacts with hydrogen peroxide in acidic medium to produce a blue peroxo complex, CrO, which is unstable and decomposes to green Cr superscript 3. In alkaline medium, it forms chromate, CrO superscript 2 plus 4O to CrO superscript 2 plus 2HO. It also oxidizes primary alcohols to carboxylic acids and secondary alcohols to ketones. Potassium dichromate is used in the laboratory for oxygen preparation, oxidation titrations, breath alcohol analyzers, and estimation of various ions. Now, let's move to potassium permanganate, KMNO. Its preparation starts with pyrolusite ore, MNO, which is oxidized to KMNO. The reaction is 2MNO plus 4KOH plus or 2KMNO plus 2HO. This is followed by disproportionation, 3KMNO, 2KMNO plus MNO. KMNO exhibits distinct color changes based on the medium. In acidic medium, purple KMNO becomes colorless Mn superscript 2. In neutral medium, it forms a brown precipitate of MNO, and in alkaline medium, it turns green, forming MNO superscript 2. In acidic medium, the general reduction is MNO plus 8H plus 5E Mn superscript 2 plus 4HO. This is a very important area for exams. It oxidizes Fe superscript 2 to Fe superscript 3, oxalate to carbon dioxide, and iodide to iodine, among other reactions, all producing Mn superscript 2. In neutral medium, MNO plus 2HO plus 3MNO plus 4O. Reactions here produce MNO precipitate, such as I to IO, HS to S, and HSO to SO superscript 2. In alkaline medium, MNO plus E MNO superscript 2, changing from purple to green. Examples include HO to O and NO to NO. KMNO has various applications, including bleaching wool and cotton, disinfecting drinking water, and as an oxidizing agent in volumetric analysis. Comparing KMNO and KCrO, KMNO is purple, reduces to colorless Mn superscript 2 in acidic medium, and is a stronger oxidizer. KCrO is orange, reduces to green Cr superscript 3, and is weaker. Their behavior in neutral and alkaline mediums also differs. For balancing redox reactions, the G-master method involves writing half reactions, balancing atoms, then oxygen by HO and hydrogen by HRO. Finally, balance charge by electrons, then multiply and add the half reactions. For example, balancing MNO plus I Mn superscript 2 plus I in acidic medium. The final balanced equation is 2MNO plus 10I plus 16H 2Mn superscript 2 plus 5I plus 8HO. Another example is CrO superscript 2 plus Fe superscript 2 Fe superscript 3 plus Cr superscript 3. The balance form is CrO superscript 2 plus 6 Fe superscript 2 plus 1,4H to Cr superscript 3 plus 6 Fe superscript 3 plus 7HO. Today we covered every Nsert reaction of potassium dichromate and potassium permanganate without missing a single point. You now have complete mastery over oxidation reactions, color changes, and redox balancing. In episode 9, we will solve the most repeated and most conceptual G questions from this chapter. Stay tuned.